So 5 simple steps to make your WordPress website load faster. Number 1. Reduce the number of plugins. Too many plugins slow down your website. So keep only what you really need. Number 2. Make image sizes smaller. Every image should be under 100 KB. So this helps your website load quicker. Number 3. Keep page size smaller. Each page should be less than 3 MB. Smaller pages means faster loading. Number 4. Add caching plugins. Use some free plugins like SiteGround Optimizer, LiteSpeed Cache to clear out your old data and make your website faster. Number 5. Use CDN. CDN stores copies of your website on different servers, so it loads very faster for everyone, no matter where they are. That's it. Try these steps to make your WordPress website load faster and give your visitors a better experience.